has been a relative underperformer both on margins as well as on market share, and for the time being seeing a big relief rally up close to around 5% odd. Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joins us to help us out with some charting trends. Hi Sachi, good morning, good to see you. Run us through your top pick then.
Good morning, Nigel. Nigel, have shared three exhibits here. When it comes to Nifty, we are of the opinion that there could be a gradual up move, and this level of around 22,500 may be a bit challenging, but gradually we may see a swing towards 22,730. This is something that has been depicted by the rising channel formation on the weekly scale, and that's why we believe that the support base at 22,000 may hold for this particular series. When it comes to top picks, I think the data of Nifty financials is very interesting. In fact, if you look at the monthly structure and the weekly structure of Nifty Finance, we have already seen a good classic breakout from a cup and handle formation on its weekly scale. And after this particular breakout, the trend has been very steady and it has been on the bullish side. So even here, I think there could be a good, strong outperformance. The channel in which this particular index is oscillating has an upper bound placed somewhere close to around 23,000, and we expect that that particular level may be achieved in a couple of months. So I think the floor is very well set at 20,500, and we have seen a good classic V-shaped recovery here, and we believe that this particular momentum may continue in this particular series, and that's why our top pick from this particular pack is Bajaj Finserv. Disclosure that we have also communicated the same to our clients. Now, if you look at the monthly structure of Bajaj Finserv, clearly, from 2021 October, we have seen a kind of a triangular formation on its monthly scale. Now, the price is oscillating near the apex zone, wherein a breakout is anticipated above that 1700 mark. If you look at the latest, base, which was formed at around 1530, this base again looks very confident. This is the same level wherein its 20-month exponential moving average support is also placed. So probably we may see a good, strong, follow-through action in this particular counter. The moment it starts trending above 1700, the trajectory is quite clear towards 2160. So from a long-term perspective, I think it's a good time to accumulate this counter. The stop loss should be placed at around 1530 on a weekly closing basis. And we may see some strong momentum play towards 1740, 1760 during this series itself.
Sacchitanand, any other ideas like Bajaj Finserv?
SRF is one particular counter which is interesting. In fact, even this particular counter has exhibited a very strong breakout play. Now, for the last 3 years, the stock was facing a lot of resistance at around 2600 mark. And the way, the expiry data, the rollover data was, it was indicating that probably this is the time wherein this oscillating range of 2600, 2200 may be breached. So I think this is one interesting sequence that we have identified, and even here the pattern is indicating a price target somewhere close to around 3000. So I think even here chasing momentum should be fruitful. The way it has surpassed that 2600 mark, probably the stop loss should be kept somewhere close to around 2570 on a closing basis, and even at this juncture some momentum longs can be considered.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Sacchitanand. Have a good day. Well, that's the word coming in from Tradebulls. Let's go across to